This video is meant for visual support during installation. Use the provided manual for full installation instructions. Installers in this video are licensed professionals. VIGO highly recommends using a licensed contractor to do this installation and will require a minimum of 2 people. VIGO has the right to update and modify this product. This is done with your best interest in mind, as we will never stop striving for perfection. Using installation instructions as a reference, check hardware to make sure all pieces are present. For tech support, call this number. Replacing your shower door can be very easy. First, inspect your package and all of its contents before installation. Shower enclosure is made from tempered glass. If mishandled, it could potentially shatter. Never rest the glass directly on a hard surface, and be careful not to bang it while moving. Grab your side glass panel and stand it up on a piece of cardboard or something soft. Next, install the 2 seal strips and then the glass supports. Attach your wall mount bracket assembly to the structural rail. This is adjustable to ensure an easy, level mount. Screw your structural rail to the glass panel. Make sure you include your washers. There should be no metal on glass contact. After the 2 are connected, bring the assembly to the corner of installation. Make sure your rail and glass panel are level and square. Once they're in place, mark for your holes around the wall mount bracket and through the glass supports, then move the assembly and pre-drill your holes. The glass supports are also made adjustable to ensure a level panel. Ideal installation prefers the use of studs in place behind the walls. However, if these are not present, anchors are provided with the product. Put them in place, then tap them in flush with a rubber mallet. Have one person set the glass up level, then screw the supports and your wall mount bracket plate to the wall. Screw the rail in place. Now that that's all set up, screw the fixed panel bottom clip onto the big front fixed panel. Make sure gaskets are in place. Next, install the seal strip on the side of the panel that will be against the wall. This will be the side closer to the bottom clip. Screw the panel to the structural rail with the fixed panel holders and mark where your bottom clip will be screwed down. Adjustments can be made to the panel holders with a hex key. Remove the panel, mark the floor for your hole, then pre-drill and insert an anchor. Attach the clip from the panel and screw it down. Then, attach the fixed panel once again and screw everything in place. For the small front fixed panel, install your corner brackets and put the panel in place. The hole should be slightly closer to the side panel than the opening for the door. Screw in the corner plate to hold your panels together with the seal strip compressed firmly. Slide the threshold in place between your 2 front fixed panels. Mark for your holes and follow with pre-drilling, inserting your anchors, and screwing the threshold down. Now, it's time to install the door panel. Grab your rollers and unscrew them. Place 2 of the rollers in the upper holes and screw them in place. If the door doesn't stay in position, adjustments can be made on the rollers with a hex key. Once the door is level, put the door guide in place at the end of the big front fixed panel and mark the location. Remove the door and mark for your holes. Then pre-drill the holes, insert the anchors, and screw the guide down. Place the door back onto the rail and install your bottom rollers to hold it securely. Adjust the door stopper's position on the rail accordingly. Next, install your handle by screwing both ends in place with a plastic washer on each side of the door. Then, install your seal strips from the bottom up on both sides of the door and on the other side of the big front fixed panel. The door seals need to be cut beneath the door stoppers, while the fixed panel seal needs to be cut beneath the rollers. Apply silicone along the inside of the shower floor and walls to help keep it watertight. All that's left to do is apply the hex screw covers. For best results and to keep your shower looking brand new, wipe it down with a glass cleaner regularly. We also recommend using a water beading treatment on the inside of your panels, similar to one you'd use to treat your car windshield to bead the water off and prevent watermarks. That's all we have for today. See you next time.